Today we're going to show you how to install stackable tabletop units. I have a 2-slot stackable frame, and we're going to cut the table first, and then we'll show you how the stackable unit is installed. So let's go ahead and cut the table first. I printed the template from the website, making sure that it's 1:1. There's also scale on the template, so we recommend to put a ruler and make sure that it shows 10 centimeters or 4 inches horizontally and 10 centimeters and 4 inches vertically. Once you're sure that this is accurate, then you can start cutting. So center the template on the table where you want to install it, and there's 4 locations for 4 holes with 1/2 inch drill bit. And I'm going to cut or drill each of those holes right now. Okay, now that we have 4 holes drilled on each corner, now we're going to cut the straight lines, and we should have our cutout completed. Alright, let's go ahead and remove this. And next thing we're going to do is to clean the table. Well, now that we have our cutout made, you can see that the bezel will fit right inside this cutout. And also notice that there's plenty of space on the bezel lip. If the cutout is a little bit larger or a little bit smaller, you will still cover it and it's going to look really nice. Once we have a bezel in place, we can now insert different modules. So let's take a look at the TNP 128, which is assembled with the stackable bezel. You can see that you can insert TNP 128 in this direction, or if you need to, you can turn it the other direction, which is opposite. All right. And we'll take also TNP 155, and you can see that we can insert it in this direction. So once you have a stackable bezels installed in the tabletop units, and then you can also use a stackable frame, you can combine units together. So in this case I put 2 units opposite to each other, and once they finish they have a nice clean look, and you can open it in opposite directions. But you also can take C&K units, which is cable nook. And in this case this is a cable nook 261, and that will fit right into the same location. And now you have 1 TNP unit and 1 C&K unit in the same location. If you need to turn it, you can just turn it, and they're going to both face the same direction. Now notice that we removed the cables from this unit just so for ease of demonstration, but actually you would have cables coming down which you connect all your accessories to. Here we installed a frame with 3 slots available, and we can install stackable units inside those slots. So you can see that you can put in tilt and plug in one, and if you want you can put cable nook in the other one, and then cable nook in the other one. Because they're stackable, you pretty much can put it anywhere you want. If you want, you can take this unit, turn it around, and install it this way. Once you put them in, there's a screws on the bottom that secure the units to the table, and the unit will stay stationary. And this is your 3 slots frame for stackable units. What we have here is a 4-slot frame that houses 4 stackable units. So we're going to put 1 stackable unit right here, which is a C&K. And we're going to also put 1 tilt and plug in this corner, and another C&K unit in here, which looks in the opposite direction, faces opposite direction, and then 1 more TNP unit that faces opposite direction. And as you can see, you have a fully configured unit. If you need to turn something, you can just lift it, turn it the other way, and plug it in here. Of course, all the cables come out on the bottom, and you also have screws that secure everything together on the bottom of the table. But this is your 4-slot stackable units.